YoYo voice chat room and games app full review. So if you want to know or if you want an overview of this application, which is YoYo voice chat room or games, you can just simply open up your Play Store. After opening your Play Store, you can go with search and you can search for this application. Now, after searching for this application, you will have this kind of interface, which is the application. Now, YoYo is a dynamic app that combines voice chat rooms with gaming, creating a social space for users to connect and play. It offers various interactive games and voice-based features, allowing users to join chat rooms, engage in real-time conversations, and participate in games. The app is designed for those who enjoy socializing through voice and gaming, making it a fun and engaging platform for casual and competitive users alike. So if you just simply tap on install, then it will start the installing process because it's a free app. You can just simply go with install, and depending on your network or your data connection, it will install within a few seconds or a few minutes. You can join chat room, you'll have casual games, you'll have multi-person voice chat, you can send amazing gifts, you will have the family option, you can meet new friends, you will have room PK, you can share your moment. And if you want to know more about the application, you can go with about this app and tap on the arrow and you will have all of the details about the application. So altogether, it's a good app. It's a free application. You can go and install and use the application. It has a pretty good review. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.